Hello everyone, welcome to Quiz Colors. Before start the video, I will tell you the answer of the question asked in the previous video. So the question was, which country is known for the dance form tango? Options are Brazil, Argentina, Spain, Mexico. And the answer is Argentina. Let's start the quiz. Question number 1. Which of the following is the capital of Sri Lanka? Options are Colombo, Kandy, Jaffna, Gali. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, Colombo. Question number 2. What is the full form of NEFT? Options are National Electronic Funds Transfer, National Efficient Financial Transfer, Non-Electronic Fund Transfer, National Electronic Financial Transaction. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, National Electronic Funds Transfer. Question number 3. The RBI was nationalized in which year? Options are 1947, 1950, 1949, 1955. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option C, 1949. Question number 4. Which of the following is not a negotiable instrument? Options are check, fixed deposit receipt, bill of exchange, promissory note. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option B, fixed deposit receipt. Please like, share and subscribe to Quiz Colors for more exciting content. Question number 5. Which of the following committees was related to banking sector reforms in India? Options are Narasimham Committee, Kelkar Committee, Gadgil Committee, Sarkaria Committee. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, Narasimham Committee. Hey viewers, now it's time for additional question. So the question is, what is the current repo rate as of September 2024? The options are 6.25, 5.75, 6.50, 5.50. Please comment your answer now. I will tell you the answer in the next video. Question number 6. Which of the following is not a type of inflation? Options are demand pull inflation, cost push inflation, stagflation, hyperdeflation. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option D, hyperdeflation. Question number 7. The term MCLR used in banking stands for marginal cost of funds lending rate, market cost of funds lending rate, maximum credit line rate, monetary credit lending rate. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, marginal cost of funds lending rate. Question number 8. Which of the following banks is known as the Bankers Bank? Options are Reserve Bank of India, State Bank of India, Punjab National Bank, ICICI Bank. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 9. The monetary policy in India is formulated by Reserve Bank of India, Ministry of Finance, NITI Aayog, SEBI. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, Reserve Bank of India. Question number 10. In the context of the Indian economy, FDI stands for Foreign Direct Investment, Foreign Diversified Investment, Financial Domestic Investment, Foreign Debt Investment. Please comment your answer now. The answer is option A, Foreign Direct Investment. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Quiz Colors.